Hi guys, I'm very excited. Look at this little baby. I've just picked this up. This is the very first prototype waterproof case for our Roadkeeper video data logger. So our logger is inside this waterproof case. Our two cameras are protected. We've got beautiful photo quality glass. One on the front there, look at that little reflection. On the back, looks good. Now we've got a little door here that allows you to get your SD card in and out easily. This is all sealed and rubber and waterproofed. So you're waterproof, sealed up. We've got a little screen in the bottom, another window over that screen so you can see what your Roadkeeper's up to. You can see whether you're recording or not, all that kind of stuff. And we've got two mounts for this, two quarter 20 mounts, one quarter 20 mount on top there, and another underneath. All we need to the outside world is the power loom. As you know, the GPS is built in to our Roadkeeper, so mount this on your race car and go racing. Whether you're racing in the rain, racing in the desert and there's dust and mud splashing against your valuable camera equipment, or you're sailing or you're offshore deep sea fishing, any of those activities, you can use the Roadkeeper to film both what's going on ahead of you and yourself. See what you're doing, see where you're looking, see what you're catching, see yourself getting your fishing hook snagged in your thumb, anything. So this is, as I say, the prototype. We're going to test this guy, make sure it's truly waterproof, make sure this little guy here where the power loop goes in is nice and waterproof, and we'll show you the results. Just so you know, and I can show you this little clip on the side here, undo that clip and the Roadkeeper is revealed inside the box. Easy as that. So there's your Roadkeeper inside. It drops out, you see, so we've got a little Roadkeeper in there inside this case. When I haven't got a black t-shirt on and I can handle my Roadkeeper, I'll do another video and show you how it went, and we'll see where we can go with our little waterproof Roadkeeper. See you soon, guys.